Welcome to room 7059 on the Celebrity Summit. This is an inside room, so let's go inside. Okay, so when you come in, you enter into like a small little entryway here. To my right, we have a closet. Ooh, robes, didn't even see those yet. This is our first time sailing on Celebrity, so I'm really excited. I hear a lot of really great things about Celebrity, so here we are. So we've got our nice robes and then hangers, lots of hangers. And on this side we have, looks like an umbrella, a bag, and a laundry bag, and then beach towels. Beach towels, excellent. Okay, so I'll close that up. Beside it, there's like this little desk console. So we have some drawers here. You can put your stuff in there. We haven't even gotten our bags yet, so just waiting for that. And there's a nice safe and some glasses. There's the mini fridge down here. I haven't even read up yet because I don't even know if this is included in the beverage package. Probably not, usually not. We normally sail Norwegian and it's not included with them, so probably not. So there's a desk area here. There's a mirror and a chair. And then it looks like we have some goodies here. So there's, yeah, so we have some goodies down here. This looks like our pamphlet, tells you all the activities for the day. This is about our dining. These are our key cards, a necklace, some masks, looks like hand sanitizer, how to connect to the Wi-Fi, it looks like we have a bottle of wine as well. Very nice. Okay, then here's the bed area. And it's really nice. I know the ship, this is the Celebrity Summit, and it is an older ship, but it was all redone in 2019. So really nice decor, really happy. And I'm looking forward to going on a sailing. Just around the corner here, we have a little table with a chair and the TV. We are currently docked in Miami and it is a beautiful 25 degrees outside. And yeah, couldn't be happier to be here after 2 years of COVID. Okay, here is the bathroom. So it's pretty standard. The toilet, sink area, lots of towels, and then the shower. So just a glass stand-up shower. And yeah, I think we will have a great time. We are staying in Miami and then cruising out, going to hit Nassau and Cozumel. And it is 5 nights here on the Celebrity Summit. Hope you enjoyed the tour of room 7059 on deck 7. Thanks.